Morning, it's January 8, 2026. Ang plan today is 10K easy. Let's go! So, from the last video, nagtanong si ma'am sa atin ng beginner tips. I'll give you three. First is know your purpose. Kasi pag alam mo kung bakit mo ito ginagawa, you're likely to stick to it. And ito yung babalikan mo kung tinatamad ka. Number two is just get out there and run. Don't worry about the pace. Easy pace lang muna. Walk if you have to. You'll definitely be faster as you go. And lastly, recovery. Recovery is very important. Eat well, balanced meal, and sleep. Yun lang muna. Once you make running a habit, it's very easy to improve. And then once you get the hang of it, you will go to a more structured training plan. That's it. 10K lang. Easy pace lang muna. Keeping heart rate at zone 2.